Alright guys, this is Caleb and we're doing Zybook's D335 Introduction to Programming in Python. This is practice lab 7 of test 2, so 30.7. The task is to create a program that takes an integer input and determines whether it equals one of the values in the predefined list. Define a function named is in list that outputs Boolean value to true or false based on whether the input value is present in the predefined list. The solution should produce the output in the following format: true if the input is in the list, otherwise false. Is the input in the list Boolean value? So true or false. Sample input output: if the input is 20, then the expected output is the input present in the list? False. Alternatively, if the input is 33, then the input present in the list? That would be true. So let me get the pre-typed stuff out of the way. All this is pre-typed. Define the function with values. Alright. Easy peasy. This actually was the one I got stuck on for a little while, and thank God ChatGPT exists, because I would not have figured it out. As always, we go int input, which is pretty standard here. If you've followed along on this so far 7 video course, we have int input in all of them. So love that for us. Now we're gonna do we're gonna define a function. So it'd be def is in list, like it tells us to do. And we do, oh my god, it gave me all this pre-typed stuff, but I'm not gonna use that because that's wrong. Value. And actually we're gonna so how I think ChatGPT has me setting it up is actually pretty basic, which is nice. Just like that. You don't need all that. Def is in list, value, return value in predefined list. So then we go to the output section where I think this was also pre-typed, which confused the crap out of me the first time I did this, because I didn't know that these are Python like pre-typed things that Python knows. I thought I was just losing my mind and they wanted me to put something there. So I was like, I have no idea what I'm putting there. So, but now we do our print statement. Again, makes it easy. F quotes is the. We're gonna copy and paste that because I'm not typing out that, which makes it nice again. And you don't have any typos. And then it should result the Boolean value, which will go brackets. Wow, this stuff just knows. Is in list user input is what you're going to type next. So now we're going to test this theory. What were the right ones? What did they say? 20? Oh my god. There we go. 20. Is an input present list? False. That is correct. Hooray! Now we're gonna do 33. True. Look at us, dude. We're coding wizards. All right. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. I'm just kidding. This has been episode 7 of the practice lab. Please tune in for the next one. As always, I guess I haven't said this yet, but comment if you're struggling with this class. Let me know how it's going for you. Let me know how WG is going for you. It's going great for me. I've thoroughly enjoyed the classes. And I'm very excited about the future that WG has kind of facilitated. Before I got into WG as a random, and sorry, this is a random tangent on a random video, but this is a short video. Um, Before I was in WGU, I failed nursing school, so I was like very bummed out. I'd say I was depressed for a little while because just didn't know what to do with my life. And then I found WGU, and it's honestly been amazing. I'm very happy with it. I'm cooking through the classes. I mean, I'm not the type to finish in 30 days, but I might finish a semester early, so that's huge. I love that, and just the fact that I have the option to test out of classes is honestly amazing. Because there's stuff like A plus. Like I knew A plus. I knew computers backwards and forwards. I've built them most of my life, and then you know I knocked that class out. But then the SSCP took me forever, so then I was stuck on that, and then Network Plus took me a little while just because they were harder classes. But I was still able to power out the classes out, after those because of how the course load worked, and just gotta keep your head down and just keep digging and until you get to the goal. So I wish everyone luck, on their WGU journey, and this is, I think, my last. Or I have one more term after this, so this will be my last term. So hopefully it all goes well for you guys too. Thank you.